Room Manager for SharePoint 2013 and Office 365. In the first video you have seen how to deploy the solution, how to activate the solution file, how to create a site, how to activate these two site features. And actually, after creating the sub-site, the next step would be just to access the site and then to set the permissions for the people who are accessing the site. Everybody needs at least contribute permission if you want to allow them that they can interact with the site. And one quick test that you can do is just double click a free time slot and see if the Ajax menu here with the JScript form loads up, and see if this drop downs works, if the tabs you see here are ordered nicely, and just make a booking. And when you can make a booking, so you are already you have the proof that the installation was fine. And the second step would be then here, and in this presentation I want to show you that, is on the site contents to fill up your content with the categories like equipments, like catering, like events, like rooms. And let's start by rooms. And what I do for rooms is the same for any category. So just upload the room pictures you have by browsing and uploading them. And once they are uploaded, you can edit them and you can start to give them a title, directly the room name, or you can use something like location backslash the room name. Don't use any special characters here in the title field. Add a description, add some keywords. These are static keywords. There's a special video as well explaining you how you can enterprise keywords. Enterprise keywords are only available if in the central administration term store, the term store metadata services are configured. Here you would need to talk to your server administrators. But if the term store is not activated, you cannot use enterprise keywords. It does not mean that you cannot use keywords at all. You can use just the static keywords, and these static keywords will help to narrow down, to filter down the search results. You see, I have tagged this content with something like Lila 10 seats VIP. I say it's Skype ready. It has a green carpet and first floor, separated each tag by this comma. And you will see in a while how the user can then use these tags. A very powerful tagging feature in a Room Manager to narrow down the search. Capacity field and the room rent can be added. This is the basis then for the invoicing module, which is available in the Enterprise Edition. As well the coloring. And here it's the best to open in Google search for hex color tables, and then just grab the color code here and add it to this field. And finally, associate it to the location. Sites and location as well is something that you will see in a while. And when this is done for your rooms, you can switch over to the old pictures, and you will see in a nice manner here in this list all the details. These details can be modified in the library settings. In the library settings, you can add additional columns if needed, and you can modify or create new views. What you should not do is don't create any of these out-of-the-box columns without consulting us. So just leave it as it is, and you can continue then with the other content. As you have seen, the same for the equipment, the same for the catering. We use the same semantic and the same taxonomy and the same approach. Everything is available here as well. Again, all the lists have library settings, and in the library settings you can do a lot more things of this here, as you have seen, and as you are using SharePoint the same way you use it for the Room Manager.